Hello, hello. This is Mr. Sewell here for all you Earth Science students. Here's a little video introduction to tell you about remote learning. I'm going to move myself out of the way. You can see we're here on the home page. Now, for your remote days, you're going to go to modules. You can watch how I do this. And my screen looks a little bit different than yours, but you'll see a module that says winter weather remote work, and I've got Wednesday the 19th up here. And so if you have the activity right here, all you have to do is download it. Most of you started it in class last Friday before we got out for the weekend. What you're doing is you're using Google Sheets to create graphs to insert into that document. So you're taking what you learned about how to make graphs, and you're actually making some digital copies of some graphs and putting them on a digital document and submitting it. Now, as you can see right here, these are my lesson plans for tomorrow. This is Tuesday night when I'm recording this. So for Wednesday, you can work on this. If you need help, I will be online at 1 o'clock. You can go over here to this button right here called the big blue button, and you can click on the big blue button if you need a live session. I'll be on for a little while tomorrow at 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock in the afternoon for anybody in my first period or third period Earth Science class. Feel free to come in and get some help if you need it. If you don't need help, there you go. You've got the assignment. And if we're out on Thursday, you'll come back here. I'll have another page up entitled Thursday the 20th. Okay? And as always, you can send me a message by way of reminder if you need some help. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Hope you're having a safe break from school. See ya.